Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
SQL Server Integration Services, Classes and Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers. Part-52. What is logging with text file log provider in SSIS?
In this part of training, we are going to discuss about what is logging with text file log provider in SSIS. Logging with text file log provider in SSIS means capturing SSIS package execution details and writing them to a .txt file. Coming to the explanation, the text file log provider records SSIS events such as errors, warnings, start or end times, and task execution messages into a plain text log file. It is simple to set up, easy to read, and commonly used for debugging and tracking package executions. Key points are: logs are written to a .txt file. It is easy to open and review, good for debugging and troubleshooting, supports logging events like on error, on warning, on pre-execution, etc. File path must be configured in the log provider's settings. Let us see these things practically in SSIS. We are in SSIS. I am trying to create a new package, text file logging. I am trying to create a package. In this package, what I am going to do is I am going to load this data like text file logging source into SQL Server table called logging table. And in the next step, I am going to update a record which is employee ID 3 with the first name to Bangalore. This first name I am going to update to Bangalore for employee ID 3. These two steps I am going to execute in a package, and I'll try to log text file logging. For that, I am taking data flow task. In data flow task, I am trying to take a flat file source. I am trying to configure it. Here I am trying to browse at CSV file. This is the file that I am browsing, and here we are having the data as well. If you preview the data, you can see the data. And now if you want to load the data into logging table, you have to take OLEDB destination component. Here, by using this component, we'll be loading the data to SQL Server database. This is the connection that is already established. I am taking it, and in a table or view, I'll be taking this table and fast load, table or view fast load, and in tables, name of the table, that is logging table. This is the table. There is no data right now. I'm just trying to mapping also done exactly. And in the next step, I'm trying to update that like table in the database. I'm using execute SQL task for that. And here I'm trying to make a connection to this demo GKey database and trying to write a SQL query. This has been here. And now two tasks have been configured. Now first one is loading data. Second one would be updating table. I'm trying to log the files now. Now if you right click on the canvas of SSIS in control flow, you have to click on the logging option, which is the first one. And coming to the report type providers, you'll be having different files. Here, different type of provider types you can see here. In that, I am taking text file provider. I'm trying to add it. It has been added. And this is the package that I am going to create the logging. And I'm selecting it. To configure that, we need to make a new connection. That means we have to create a file in a particular location. That I'm trying to create a logging file here. It is a text file, package logging. This is the file that I'm going to take to create the logs. In details, we have to select the different events. For example, I'm selecting on error, like on post execution, on pre-execution, on progress, something like that. Whatever event based on your requirement, you can select them. I've selected them. Again, if you want to check, you can go for logging. So what I have done is I've taken the, like, see here we have to take the text file provider, and you have to select what are the different tasks that you want to select. These are the tasks have been selected. The package logging has been enabled. I am trying to execute this package. Now the package got executed successfully. Let us check the log table. See here different events like on pre-validation. These are the different steps that we have taken. On progress, these are the different events. On pre-validation, like this we can have n number of events to be logged in txt file. In this way we can log and we can check what are the different things happen. For example, if something happens wrong, if you have taken the like first name and just giving wrong code here, in logging also, in detail, did we take that? Yeah, on error event also we have taken. If we execute the package, there is a failure. Let us check the failure has been logged or not. See, you'll be having different like events captured here. On error message. This is on GKey solutions. There is an on error update logging file table. There is a executing the query. There is a problem with the query execution, that is a first name. Here we have given a wrong number, one number we have given. In this way the error code also we can see in the logging file, that is txt file. In this way we can make the logging to text file as well. The events are going to be logged in the text file. We can go and select the text file and open. We can see different events which have happened on this particular package. I think you got some idea about text file logging in SSIS. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT Solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.